Guys, what is up? Today we're recording a video with KitchenBot. I think he's like a sort of like a bot that cooks you food or something. Are you a bot that cooks me food? It's on the other side. Oh, a fork and knife. Okay, following you. You guys, you can't see what he's making. Are you making a grilled cheese? Okay. Guys, he's making me a grilled cheese. And guys, this is like a bot or a ghost, I'm not sure. Thumbs up if you're a bot, thumbs down if you're a ghost. Okay, he's a bot. And guys, like I promise this is not like, he just randomly joined my game. And he cooked me a grilled cheese. Nom 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 nom. 5-star grilled cheese. 5-star grilled cheese. Are you gonna cook Doug? Should I cook Doug? Thumbs up if I should cook Doug. It's cool. You wanna cook Doug? KitchenBot has Doug. Oh, are we playing with Doug, KitchenBot? I'm just really confused. What happens if I pop one of your balloons, KitchenBot? Would you get mad if I popped one of your balloons? Oh, okay. This is cool. My first ever like ghost thingy. Ooh, what's that? What kind of food's that? Did you make me a sandwich? What is this? Is this a grilled cheese again? Is it a hot dog? Oh yeah, a hot dog. I like marshmallows a lot. Let's just call me that. Knock on wood. Okay. Dang, I fell. Wait, KitchenBot, would you be mad if I jumped on from here to there? Hello, KitchenBot. Wait, if you're a bot, does that mean you have the finger painter badge? I think that's a yes. I only know one person that could climb trees, and that's the cracked kid. You sure you're not the cracked kid? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're the Is this pizza? pizza. Thanks, Kitchen Bot. Kitchen Bot, are you okay that I'm recording this? Okay. Guys, this is so cool. I have like a kitchen bot or something. This is cool. Wait, you're leaving? Okay. Bye-bye, Kitchen Bot. That was fun. Okay, that'll be the end of today's video.